This may be one of those biting off more than I can chew moments. We'll find out. It'll be fun. That is 14 different colors of mica that is going to go into one loaf of soap, 10 bars of soap. I made this particular soap 2 days ago. I cut it yesterday. Isn't absolutely gorgeous. It's having trouble focusing. I don't know why it's doing that. Anyway, I'm doing a challenge club and it is hanger swirls, and I've done oh my gosh, I've done 8 batches so far. I'm gonna do 2 more, but I want to do this design, and I cut this and I'm like, oh my gosh, that's absolutely amazing. If anybody's ever done these, you're really going into them kind of blind. You're just really hoping that things end up where they're going to be, where they're supposed to be, and that your hanger tool goes through where it's supposed to. I was a little bit off on this pink one over there, but these are still really, really cool bars of soap. I was really excited how these turned out. What I want to try, I was going to stop, but then I was literally dreaming about it. Anyway, I want to try to do 5. Don't know if it's going to happen, but I'd like to try to maybe have the 3 here and then 2 down below. I don't know if it's going to happen. It might, but it'll be pretty. And if it's not pretty, it's just going to be a wonderfully usable bar of soap. So I've got the 14 different colors here. I'm going to do yellow. So this one I did the yellow and the orange together, and then I have the purples and the pinks. So I'm going to do yellows together, oranges together, pinks together, purples, and then I have some blues. Instead of the white, I'm going to use this green right here, and it should be a little bit lighter than that. So instead of the white space, it'll be that color. And then I have this color is the same as that one. And then I have a little bit darker green that I'll use for the leaves. So it'll be colorful throughout the entire soap. I'm using quantities that will keep me where I need to be for this batch of soap. I'm going to be using the Secret Garden fragrance oil by Brambleberry, and this is supposed to behave well, no acceleration. I think it says off-white here. The website said yellow, like a light yellow, but if it does that with the green, that's not a big deal. And I'm only going to be fragrancing this part because I'll pour this first, and then I'll pour these 2, and then I will pour the 3. Oh, and then the white. This is a pearly white mica. You can't really see, but it's really pretty. I'm going to try this. You can do like a little oil drizzle. I'm going to try to do that at the top of each one before I do my hanger. So that is my goal. Do these 2, do these 3. Actually, I'll do these 2, drizzle the oil, do a pull, and then do these 3, drizzle, and then do the 3 there. So wish me luck. I also want to try, I think the top's really pretty, but I want to try maybe doing little flowers on top. I don't know. We'll find out how frazzled I am when I get there. So my oils are cooling down, my lye is cooling down, coming to the right temperature. I'm going to do one of them today, and then I'm going to do another one tomorrow, and that I'll have the same colors probably. The other one tomorrow is going to be the willow and the ivy fragrance. Again, is supposed to, let's see, this one, it says discolors to none, but I'm pretty sure the website said yellow, and it's supposed to behave well. So I will kind of see how this one goes, how this soap goes, before I do the other one. I was thinking about doing them both today, but I'm like, you know what? I should try it, see what it looks like tomorrow after I cut it open, and see if there's any things that I want to do to fix or try again. So wish me luck.